to another video of Boss Glam. I'm your host, Vita, author of Boss Glam and CEO and founder of glamngo. In this episode, I'm going to cover skincare before makeup. The first step in taking care of your skin is making sure that you've cleansed well and toned well before you start using any of the serums and moisturizers I'm about to show you. The first product that I'm going to go in is the hyaluronic acid, 2% from The Ordinary. Now what this does is it helps to plump the skin and retain the moisture throughout the day, more than just the moisturizer by itself. Now hyaluronic acid is all the rage right now amongst all the beauty industry. The reason why it is so is because it plumps up the skin and it really retains the moisture that your face needs in order for your foundation to look really good. But the way you use it is that underneath the moisturizer and the beauty oil. The best way to use it is combined with a moisturizer and a beauty oil. So take a few drops of this, palm of your hand, massage it in, and just apply it with equal pressure and balance, using both hands to apply. It's kind of sticky too. And then you want to go in with your moisturizer. I'm using Weleda Skin Food. A small amount of this goes a long way. This seals it in. So place it a little bit, rub it, and then just press it onto your face first. And then seal this with a little bit of Argan Beauty Oil from Josie Maran. So a few drops of that, rub it on your hands, and then apply it to your face. Now going for the eyes, I'm going to use the caffeine solution, The Ordinary, for around the eyes. This helps to plump up any fine lines and wrinkles on your eye. And the way I do it is just I apply 2 drops on my finger, take the other hand, ring finger, pick up one of the drops, and then apply it to the orbital bone. And then just massage it in. Caffeine helps with the dark circles and to plump up the area around the eyes. To depuff, it helps to revive fatigue skin. So caffeine is not just in coffee to revive us and our mood, but it also helps with around the eyes and our skin. And just massage this in. Now, as you can see, my skin is gliding without any pressure. This is when I will go and use a jade scraper. Now, this is an amazing tool to really penetrate all of those beauty oils and serums and creams into the skin. And I take, so it's kind of like a heart shape. So I take the top of the heart and then I place it around the orbital bone and I massage this, scraping very gently back and forth, about 6 to 8 scrapes on each eye. So as long as it's gliding and it's wet, you can go ahead and use this to massage. This stimulates your cells, it stimulates the product, it helps it go deeper into the dermis of the skin. And since we have oil and our skin is oily, we can use the side, the more curved side of that scraper, to massage the face. So I'm just going in and scraping it upwards and outwards to make sure that my skin is getting all of that ingredients deep into the dermis. And then also a little bit on the forehead and a little bit along the jawline and the neck. The next is going in with the face roller. Now you have 2 sides here. You have a smaller size and you have a bigger size. And these jade rollers really cool down when they are just left on like a countertop or a marble counter especially. And what they do is help to depuff. So I'm going to take the larger roller and start rolling on the bigger areas of my face. So literally just roll it around, again, in the direction of where you want the skin to be lifted. And then also on your forehead. to do this morning and evening after your skincare. And then I'm going in with the smaller end around my eyes, on the smaller areas of the face, really. So around the nose, this part here where generally gets puffy, around the eyes. Now I'm going to apply some eye cream, just to seal that in. And this is from Murad. And then I'm going to apply some SPF. So this is Banana Boat, just SPF 50, and I'm just going to take a small amount of this because I don't want my skin. I'm going to be outside soon, so I don't want my skin to burn, especially if you're using products like what I've just shown you. You want to make sure that your skin is well protected. Okay, for my lips, I'm going in with the Carmex Classic Lip Balm. I love using this stuff. Make sure you don't neglect your lips. Oh, it feels so good when it's moisturized. Now we're ready to apply the foundation.